Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed condominium here in Hammonton, New Jersey. We're at 191 Yorktown Boulevard, and I have a single level 1,004 square foot unit to show you. Let's check it out. This is the Meadows complex here in Hammonton, and the grounds are kept real nice. There's playgrounds scattered about all over the development. You have this bank of condominiums here, and then you have single family houses all around you. Let's check it out. So you got one floor living here. Got your family room right here. This would be your dining area. Opens to the kitchen. Can just kind of, talk and eat at the same time, whoever's cooking. Your kitchen's got the L-shaped peninsula, and you have the cabinetry all around it. Nice little pantry. And here's your utility room with your HVAC. So this is your natural gas furnace, and your central air has your hot water heater as well. 2 beds and 1 bath. Both bedrooms, by the way, have slider doors out to the fenced backyard. So that makes it real nice if you have pets, kids, privacy and safety. So that's 1 slider. This is your 1 full bath, has tile flooring, tile surround, everything nice and neat there. Washer and dryer room, plenty of shelving, everything you need. Bedroom number 2, closet that way, and opens up to the back area here. It's kind of nondescript right now, but this could easily be made into a beautiful patio area here. You can picture your table here, all kinds of plantings, and that shed is being sold as is. As always, you could like, share, or subscribe. When you subscribe to the channel, you get automatic notifications when we list a brand new property, which is often. And that way you get an opportunity to be the first to know, and you get the opportunity to win the bid. Gives you a huge advantage in the market. The highlights of this property is that it's in Hammonton, has excellent school systems. It's 1,004 square feet total on the inside. Got plenty of parking. And it's a single level, which is great for many, many reasons. So single level living here. 2 beds, 1 bath, public water and public sewer. FHA OK, which could be really important to specific buyers. And as always, Joe Wiessner hopes to see you at the settlement table.